Have you ever wished your home could be the perfect temperature right when you walk in the door? Now it can be, thanks to smart thermostats. Smart thermostats are revolutionizing the way we heat and cool our homes. They offer unparalleled comfort, convenience, and even significant savings on our energy bills. Imagine never having to worry about adjusting the temperature manually again. But how do these clever devices work? What makes them so smart and efficient? And more importantly, are they right for you and your home? Let's dive into the fascinating world of smart thermostats and uncover their secrets. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about smart thermostats, from their basic functions to their most advanced features. We'll unravel the mystery behind these intelligent devices, showing you how they can learn your schedule and preferences to optimize your home's climate. We'll also provide a step-by-step guide on how to install them, making the process as simple as possible. We'll discuss what to consider before buying one, such as compatibility with your existing HVAC system and the specific features you might need, and we'll even highlight some of the top models on the market, comparing their features and benefits. Get ready to discover a smarter, more efficient way to manage your home's comfort and energy usage. With smart thermostats, a perfectly comfortable home is just a touch away. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a smart thermostat? And how does it differ from a traditional one? A smart thermostat is like a brain for your home's heating and cooling system. It goes beyond simply setting a temperature. Smart thermostats use advanced technology to learn your preferences and adjust the climate in your home automatically. Imagine this. You wake up on a chilly morning. Instead of being greeted by a blast of cold air, your smart thermostat has already warmed the house to your preferred temperature. How? It learned your schedule and knew you'd be getting out of bed soon. That's just one example of how smart thermostats make life more comfortable. One of the key features that makes these thermostats smart is their ability to connect to the internet. This connection opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to control your home's temperature from anywhere using your smartphone or computer. Imagine turning on the heat while driving home from work or adjusting the air conditioning from your couch. With a smart thermostat, you can. But how does it work? Smart thermostats connect to your home's Wi-Fi network just like your laptop or tablet. This connection allows them to communicate with an app on your smartphone, giving you remote control over your home's climate. You can set schedules, adjust the temperature, and even monitor your energy usage, all from the palm of your hand. Smart thermostats are more than just remote controls for your heating and cooling. They are designed to learn your habits and preferences, creating a personalized comfort experience in your home. But how do they do it? It all starts with the information you provide. When you first install your smart thermostat, you'll likely input your preferred temperatures for different times of the day. Do you like it cooler at night for sleeping? Warmer in the morning? The thermostat remembers these preferences, but the learning doesn't stop there. Section 5. Geofencing climate control that knows where you are. Some smart thermostats take learning to the next level with a feature called geofencing. Geofencing uses your smartphone's location to determine when you're home and when you're away. This allows the thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature, ensuring your home is comfortable when you arrive and saving energy while you're out. Imagine this. You're driving home from a long day at work. As you approach your neighborhood, the geofencing feature on your smart thermostat springs into action. It senses your proximity and starts cooling down the house, so it's perfectly refreshing when you walk in the door. No more waiting for the house to cool down on a hot summer day. Section 6. Motion sensors, ensuring comfort when you're home. In addition to geofencing, many smart thermostats are equipped with built-in motion sensors. These sensors detect movement within your home, providing another layer of intelligent climate control. How do they work? It's all about detecting changes in the environment. These sensors can detect when someone enters or leaves a room. If the sensor doesn't detect movement for a certain period, it can signal the thermostat to adjust the temperature, saving energy while you're away from that particular area. This way, you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty room. Section 7. Saving energy, saving money, the benefits of smart thermostats. Smart thermostats aren't just about convenience, they can also save you money on your energy bills. By automatically adjusting the temperature based on your schedule and habits, they help reduce energy waste and optimize your home's heating and cooling. But how much can you really save? Studies have shown that smart thermostats can save homeowners an average of 10 to 20% on their heating and cooling costs. That's because they eliminate unnecessary energy use, such as heating or cooling an empty house. Over time, these savings can really add up, making a smart thermostat a wise investment for your home and your wallet. Section 8. Taking Control, the Smart Thermostat app. One of the most appealing aspects of smart thermostats is the level of control they give you over your home's climate. This control is primarily accessed through a user-friendly app that you install on your smartphone or tablet. The app acts as a command center for your thermostat, allowing you to manage every aspect of its operation. With the app, you can remotely adjust the temperature, create custom schedules, monitor your energy usage, and even receive alerts if something requires your attention. For example, the app can notify you if the temperature in your home goes above or below a certain threshold, potentially indicating a problem with your heating or cooling system. Section 9. Installing your smart thermostat, a step-by-step guide. You might be thinking that installing a smart thermostat sounds complicated, but it's often a surprisingly straightforward process. With a little patience and the right tools, you can have your new device up and running in no time. Many models are designed for DIY installation, and you don't need to be an electrician to get the job done. These devices come with detailed instructions that guide you through each step. However, if you are uncomfortable working with electrical wiring, it's always best to consult a qualified electrician. Safety should always be your top priority. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools, which typically include a screwdriver, a drill, and a level. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Then follow these basic steps. 1. Turn off the power to your existing thermostat. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. This is crucial for safety. Always double-check that the power is off before proceeding. 2. Remove your old thermostat. Carefully unscrew it from the wall and set it aside. Take photos of the wiring before disconnecting it. This will serve as a helpful reference when connecting the new thermostat. 3. Connect the wires to your new smart thermostat. Match each wire to the corresponding terminal. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, as wiring configurations can vary. Double-check each connection to ensure accuracy. 4. Mount the new thermostat on the wall. Make sure it is securely attached. Use a level to ensure it's straight. A crooked thermostat can affect its performance and appearance. 5. Restore power and configure your smart thermostat. Turn the power back on and watch your new device come to life. This usually involves connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and downloading the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and start enjoying the benefits of your smart thermostat. Section 10. Compatibility. Making sure your thermostat works in your home. While most smart thermostats are designed to work with a wide range of heating and cooling systems, it's crucial to ensure compatibility before making a purchase. Not all thermostats are created equal, and some may not be compatible with your specific HVAC system. The best way to determine compatibility is to consult the manufacturer's website or documentation. They typically provide a compatibility checker tool or a list of compatible HVAC systems. Additionally, checking online forums or reviews can provide insights from other users who have similar heating and cooling setups. Section 11. Top Smart Thermostats. Choosing the right one for you. Now that you understand the ins and outs of smart thermostats, you may be wondering which one is right for your home. The decision can be quite daunting given the plethora of options available. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose. Each model comes with its own set of features, benefits, and price points. To help you narrow down your choices, let's look at some of the top smart thermostats available. We'll explore their unique features and what makes them stand out. Nest Learning Thermostat. Known for its sleek design, learning capabilities, and compatibility with a wide range of systems. It adapts to your schedule and preferences, making it a popular choice for many homeowners. ecobee Smart Thermostat. Features: remote sensors for room-by-room temperature control, and integrates with popular smart home platforms. This model is ideal for those who want precise control over the temperature in different areas of their home. Honeywell Home T9. Smart Thermostat offers geofencing, motion sensing, and customizable comfort settings for different rooms. Its advanced features ensure that your home is always at the perfect temperature when you arrive. Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Thermostat, a budget-friendly option with a touchscreen display and compatibility with voice assistance. It's a great choice for those looking for essential smart features without breaking the bank. When choosing a smart thermostat, consider your budget, desired features, and compatibility with your HVAC system. It's important to ensure that the thermostat you choose will work seamlessly with your existing setup. Reading reviews and comparing models can help you find the perfect fit for your needs and preferences. Take the time to research and understand the pros and cons of each model. This will ultimately make your home more comfortable and energy efficient, providing you with peace of mind and potentially saving you money on energy bills in the long run.